Yummy, yummy, here we go. So many tasty foods to know. Sweet and savory, big and small. Come and taste them all. Clap your hands and sing along. Fruit is fun all day long. Pancakes fluffy, round and sweet. Stack them high for a yummy treat. Blueberries dancing on the top. Syrup dripping drop by drop. Flip them high and watch them spin. Breakfast fun is about to begin.
Pizza cheesy, warm and bright, loaded with toppings just right. Peppercorn and tomatoes too. A tasty slice for me and you.
Round and round the pizza goes. Everybody loves it so. Strawberries red and bananas yellow. Healthy snacks make us mellow. Apples crunch and grapes are sweet. Colorful fruits are fun to eat. Mix them up in a rainbow bowl. Healthy foods help us grow.
Sandwiches, noodles and soup so nice. Every bite is full of spice. Crunch and munch, chew away. Trying new foods every day.
Sweet and savory, what a delight. Yummy foods make me smile bright. Yummy, yummy, here we go. So many tasty foods to know. Sweet and savory, big and small.